Okay, so this is my latest project. This is a stabilizing chamber I'm building. Just use the 4-inch clear PVC pipe and fittings, regular PVC fittings. Now this is the important part up here. The top part up here. These parts here, I just went ahead and bought those all put together from Turntex.com. I'll put a link in the description below. They're the guys who make the cactus juice, which is the stabilizing liquid that I'm going to be using, and really know a lot about doing these stabilizing chambers, vacuum chambers. And so what I made the top out of, this is just 1/2-inch plexiglass. I just got a 6-inch square piece just off of Amazon. And the gauge and the regulator, I just drilled holes in there and then got a 3/8 pipe. Just a 3-inch pipe at the hardware store that I heated the end with propane torch and used that to tap the holes, and that works really slick. You just get it hot, turn it into the plexiglass, let it cool off, turn it back out, and you got nice threads tapped in there. And then of course you put Teflon tape on the threads and screw those in tight, and they'll seem to be holding up pretty good. Now the seal gasket is just an O-ring from connecting a sink, the pipes to the bottom of a sink. I just picked that up again at the hardware store, and it's pretty close to the right diameter. A little bit, could be a little bit bigger, it would be great, but this seems to work all right. And I just epoxied that down onto the bottom, and that sits on top. So it just sits on top of the pipe, and then when you turn on the vacuum, it creates enough vacuum pressure to hold that down and seal it. So I turn it on, and let's give her a shot, see how it runs. So right now, there's no vacuum going in the chamber because you got this open, so it's pulling through here. So our control, and turn that slowly, close that, and then I will start putting the vacuum through the chamber itself. When you first get started, you might have to push down on there and help that seal get started. You see that pressure going up. So we'll see, turn it all the way on. So what we'd like to see is it get around 29 to 30. I had it there earlier. We'll see if we'll get there again now. And 20.5. Anyway, you might need to go in there and sand the rim a little bit more to get that connection to seal a little bit tighter. Right now it's running at 28.5. We'd like to get it up to closer to 29 if we could. And so it'll have to run for, quite a few hours to pull the air out of the wood. So right now I have wood that's drying in my toaster oven overnight, and tomorrow I'll actually stick some in here with cactus juice and give it a go, see how it works.